Hey guys, watching Vulgar's videos, and I have an offbeat review for you. It is on a vacuum cleaner. Yeah. I got this for, let's see, $20, $5, $8, $7. Let me turn the light. It's kind of dark in here. There we go. Here it is. It is a Kenmoore 2-speed Kenmoore, 6 amp. His name is Jack Harpending. Nah, actually I call it Kenmoore. My mom drew eyes on it. I need to take those eyes off because it looks really stupid. Everyone knows vacuum cleaners, the eyes right here, and this clearly is like a Stormtrooper Vader style with the, you know, yeah. So it looks really stupid. It's got twin fans, like it's got one motor, but the one motor drives 2 fans on the side. Really cool. Edge clean. It actually came with like 5 bags strapped to the back of it. It was a half-off sale at Teen Challenge, a local thrift store. And I don't know. I know I have a crap ton of vacuum cleaners, but I thought, you know what? If something happens, you know, actually nothing would happen. I just had to have this vacuum cleaner. There's no explanation for it. I just had to have this vacuum cleaner. Yeah. So I did spend not $7, but it was half price, so it was $3.50 for a vacuum cleaner that works perfectly fine with 5 bags. I mean, I would be losing money if I didn't buy it. Turn the back side. This is the zipper for the bag. Has a little hole right there, which I didn't even notice till I walked out with it. Here's the off, low, high setting. Right here you have your carpet height adjustment, and arrow, so it's on 3. There's 2, and there's 1, the lowest setting, and it goes back around. Actually, it doesn't go back around. And there's 4, 5, 6, 7, and the highest 8. And it's really cool. It's, well, I guess it's a negative that it's so close to this corner right here, so it's kind of a knuckle buster. How'd I do it? Oh, this way. But it's nice it has so many settings. You know, a lot of vacuums only have low, high, or low, medium, high, and this has got 8 settings, so that's pretty cool. The cord's a little short, but whatever. You plug her in. There we go. And I gotta admit, this is one of the louder vacuums I have had in my day. Do I have a place to set down this? Hey Steven, make yourself useful, come here. Can you be a cameraman? Sure. Alright, record me vacuuming. And try not to get the crap on the tables, okay? Got it? Give this over because you did get sun. Follow it. That's just. Finding Nemo 3D. Oh my god. Okay. Here it is.
It's recording, right?
Yeah. This is the test drive of the Kenmoore 6 amp 2-speed twin fan motor vacuum. Alright, here we go. Drop it down. Watch out, kitty cat, you're gonna freak out. try to demonstrate his speeds. That was low. If that didn't sound like high enough, well, there. Alright, so pros and cons, and up here, with the vacuum cleaner. The Kenmore 6 amp, 2-speed, twin fan, Kenmore. Okay, so, positive. It's very light, very lightweight. I mean you can pick this up with a pinky, maybe? Yeah, pinky finger. I can pick it up. It's got the many height adjustments, got twin speeds, 2 fans, that's all great stuff. It's got the light. Still works. Easy access button right here. It's bagged. I like bags because bagless, you have to dump it and you get a cloud of crap in your face. You die of lung cancer. That's not good. You don't want that. The negatives. It's loud. -2. It's loud. -3. It's loud. Other than that, it's great. Here's another positive thing. Something gets clogged up or change a belt to do maintenance. Bring it over here. Very easy to swap out. All you do is take the steel tabs right here, and you flip like this. And it just flips right open. This is a fan run right here, and that spins the belt and the beater bar. And there's another fan right here. It sucks stuff up. That's really cool. Of all the years of vacuuming, I don't know what you'd call that for being like a hobby, but I've never seen that before, which is crazy. And this was made in...
Unique vacuum innards.
I don't know. I don't know when it was made. Model 175.3916080. Sears Roebuck & Co. Made in the freaking USA. Let me see this camera. I don't know if you see it right there, but yeah. Made in the USA. If I was to guess, I'd probably guess an 89 or 91 or 2. The belt's getting a little worn. There's a little bit of a sponge to it. If I hold this down, it can still slide on it. So if I had a newer belt, that second gear I should say. I mean, have you ever seen a vacuum cleaner with a second gear? I mean, that's hardcore right there. So if you see one of this for cheap, go ahead and pick it up. It's a great vacuum cleaner. However, if you're asking like $30, I'd say walk away. You could find a newer, more, what would you call it? A higher tech vacuum for about 30, probably. But if things are really expensive, you can't find jack for 30, and the cheapest thing is go to Walmart and find either a stick vac for 40 or a cheap Bissell for 60. Then I guess I wouldn't, $30 for this wouldn't be bad. So thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I hope you got a laugh out of this because I think I might make somebody laugh. So yeah, this is my Kenmore. Turn it off now.